In this video, guys, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $50,213 just by promoting affiliate links on Twitter. I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step. I will share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest, on Twitter to earn this commission, and I will make it easy and simple. I'm not selling you any courses or any coaching programs. I will share with you everything for free in this video, so you just need to copy and paste my method to start making some money like this in commission for free, okay? And as you can see in my balance over here, it's showing $50,213, okay? Let's get started. So what you need to do first, guys, is you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. You need to join this website, so let me show you how we can do it. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here. You need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? What you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, okay? You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now, okay? But before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission plan and how much you will earn for those services. If we click over here on see commission, because they are really paying a lot of money, guys, okay? So you can see commission plan and you can see over here that you can earn up to $150. If just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money, guys, okay? You can get just one person to buy service from your affiliate link every day. You can make a lot of money, okay? So let's go back to this Fiverr affiliate website. What you will do, click on join now, and you will be directly to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is really easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Your account, make it private, and you just need to answer a few questions over here. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? And put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to this home page on Fiverr and you will click on the search and you need to search for planner, okay? This is one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Pinterest, on Twitter, and a lot of people are searching for this service, and I'm gonna show you how you can find those people. They will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So I'm gonna choose, for example, let's choose this one. As you can see, this one is level 2 seller. He has 5 stars, a lot of reviews. We will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do is you need to copy. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. I already have this page already, but I'm going to show you step by step. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. It's going to take you to this page. Click over here and put this profile seller link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link, okay? What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. So let's go to Twitter. So what you will do, so first let me show you. If you don't have an account on Twitter yet, go to Google search for Twitter, click on the first link over here and sign up by using your email address. It's easy and it's for free, of course. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Twitter. Okay, so what you need to do, click on the search over here, search for I need planner. Okay, search for this keyword I need planner, and what you will do, you will find a lot of people here searching for planner. I need new planner journal, and as you can see, I need to get my 2024 planner. I need a planner. Those people are searching for this service, searching for this digital planner. Okay, so what you will do, you will come to this seller page on Fiverr and you will copy his title. You will go back to Twitter, go back to your Twitter account. So for example, this one, I will click over here on reply. I will put this title over here. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link. I will put my affiliate link here like this, and I will click on reply to send this affiliate link to this person who is looking for a planner for 2024. Reply, and here you go, your reply will be sent to this person, as you can see, like this. Okay, I will do digital planner, printable planner, and journal template. So if this person is still looking for planner, he will click on my affiliate link like this. If he click on my affiliate link, he will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page on Fiverr. He will click on continue, buy this service for my affiliate link, and I will earn commission. It's really easy money, guys. Okay, and make sure to promote a lot of services to those people, because you can find a lot of people here searching for I need planner, I need a really good journal planner, this one, I need planner, I need planner. Okay, a lot of people here are searching for those digital planners and a journal. So what you will do, you will just send your affiliate link to those people, and that's it. That's how you can promote. That's what I have been doing, and this is one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Twitter to get commission. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. I share with you everything I know about Fiverr affiliate, how you can start, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. So you just need to take action and stay consistent and make sure to promote a lot of services, not per day. So if you have new Twitter account, post just like 3 to 5 affiliate links per day, and that's it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Make sure to like this video. If you appreciate those information, guys, for free, like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.